In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell clothes on Depop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prep your items, create a great listing, and get your clothes in front of the right buyers. Start by heading to Depop.com. In your browser, from the homepage, go to the selling section. That's where you'll find the tools you need to create your first listing, and we'll use the Sell Now button shortly. Before you list anything, prepare your clothes. Pull out the items you want to sell and give each piece a quick check. Look for loose threads, missing buttons, tiny holes, or light pilling. A minute spent here can make a big difference in how your item photographs and how confident buyers feel about purchasing. If your piece needs it, wash and, if appropriate for the fabric, lightly iron or steam it. Clean clothes look better in photos and signal that you've taken care of the item. For delicate fabrics, follow the care label and use a steamer instead of an iron to avoid shine or damage. Now it's time to list. On Depop.com, click Sell Now. You'll be guided to the listing form where you'll add photos, details, and a price. Think about where your item sits in the market and set a fair, competitive price based on brand, condition, and comparable listings you find on Depop. Upload multiple pictures per item to tell a complete story. Use natural light near a window, a neutral background, and keep the frame clean. Include a front shot, back shot, close-ups of labels and details, and clear images of any flaws. If you can, show the item on a hanger or model to help buyers understand fit and scale. Write a detailed description that answers common buyer questions. Include the brand, exact size, fit notes, fabric content if known, and the condition. Add measurements such as chest, length, waist, or inseam so buyers can compare with their own clothes. Be honest about wear and point out any marks or repairs. Clarity builds trust and reduces back and forth messages. Add tags to help your listing get discovered in search. Think like a buyer and use relevant keywords for style, aesthetic, color, season, and occasion. Keep them specific and accurate so your item appears in the right results. When everything looks good, preview and publish the listing. Double check your price, photos, and description, then hit publish to make it live on Depop. That's it. Your item is ready for shoppers to find. Repeat the same process for your other pieces, keep your photos consistent, and you'll build a shop that feels professional and trustworthy.